Every space depends on air. It shapes how people live, work, and feel every day. To make that comfort possible, we create solutions that go beyond equipment. We are Zero, your global HVAC solution expert. From homes and commercial buildings to large-scale industrial applications, we deliver complete HVAC solutions designed for performance, efficiency, and long-lasting comfort. From split systems and heat pumps to rooftop units, VRF systems, chillers, and light commercial solutions, Zero brings comfort to spaces of every kind. Every system begins with engineering, driven by certified manufacturing, advanced R&D, and strict quality control. We focus on every detail to ensure reliable performance in every project. Today, Zero solutions have reached over 130 countries, supported more than 1,000 projects worldwide, and grown through a network of 80 global distributors. Every system we build serves a purpose beyond technology. It supports the spaces people rely on and the comfort they experience every single day. Together, we redefine comfort.